ASRS Australia is an Australian manufacturer of trade product as well as importer of bathroom and kitchenware. For over 60 years, ASRS Australia has been synonymous with quality and innovation, bringing the latest design and technology to Australia. With over 3,500 products, our range is a result of consistent and ongoing product development with a focus on innovation and quality. With over 3,500 products in the range and increased demand from our customers, we needed a storage solution to help with the current workload and the future workload. The reason why we chose Kardex was through consultation and analysis they offered the best vertical storage system solution for our business. Simply, I was very confident that Kardex could help us out with what we needed as a storage and order picking solution, and also helps the long working relationship I've had at Kardex in the past. We decided to go with two XP 250 units. We can store over 1,000 of our tapware, accessories and our spare parts in our range. The Kardex shuttles are fully integrated with our warehouse management system to fulfill customer orders and receive and replenish inventory. The two XP 250 modules allows us to pick, replenish and put away at the same time, which increases efficiencies and also allows us to operate throughout the day. The added feature of the LED pointer allows us to have full confidence in the team members to perform their task to the highest standard. The Order Fulfilment sort bench allows us to fulfill 10 orders at a time in the most efficient way possible. The Kardex system has allowed us to increase our storage solution within the existing footprint, as well as increase our order throughput for our customers for now and for the future.